Yo, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to talk with you the reasons why DeepSeek just destroyed all the AI companies. The reason why the Nvidia stocks literally went down. I think they lost 500 billion. It's like the biggest crash of company in a single day. And I'll talk a bit on why that's actually good for the average person. So for starting this video, right now I'm building a SaaS with DeepSeek AI. So if you want to see how I'm going and what this SaaS talks about, please go watch my last video. It's talking about it. But stay on this video. After you end it, you will watch about my SaaS that I'm building. And before continuing, I want to introduce myself. My name is Mario. I am a software developer working remote in Brazil. And my goal for this channel is to impact people's life. So let's go on. So you probably have heard in the news about this new DeepSeek AI. I will make a roundup here about what is this AI and why people are talking so much about it. So this AI was a side project from other company that, from what I searched about, they work with quantum market with stocks, like trying to buy and sell stocks really fast to make money. I didn't search a lot, but it was basically a side project for them. And they spent like 6 or 7 million US dollars, something like that. And for AI, it's completely crazy. Because usually those AIs needed like billions and billions of US dollars, a ton of GPUs from NVIDIA and like the best GPUs from NVIDIA. And for you just to have a context, the DeepSeek company is using I think it's iMac, the name from Apple. They are using iMacs to the DeepSeek. It's crazy because it's really cheaper and worse than the GPUs from NVIDIA, but they have an AI that is literally on the same level as the O1 from OpenAI. If you don't know, the O1 version of ChatGPT is the paid version that I think is $200, and it's like the best version. And DeepSeek, that only costed 6 million US dollars, is open source. You can use it for free. Is at the same level in some tests. It's obviously that in other tests the O1 gets better, but in average they are like the same thing. So it shows for us that or the AI companies that we have right now aren't that good, or they are just like spending money because they can, because we are right now at this hype of AI. Everyone's talking about AI, that AI will destroy our jobs, will replace us, and we'll have AI automations, AI workers, and things like that. So they are just using the hype, like when NFT was a hype and every company was talking about using it and spending a shit ton of money trying to use Web3 in their applications. And the good thing is, if building an AI becomes like not that expensive, we will probably have a ton of AIs from different companies that is much better than just having like 3 models from those 3 big techs and like we are dependent of them. So before DeepSeek, we just had like the ChatGPT from OpenAI, the Llama, Gemini, and Claude. Gemini was really bad, so it was basically ChatGPT, Llama, and Claude. Claude was the best one, but it's really expensive for you to use. Like his free version is, I think it's 5 inputs, so it's really bad. The ChatGPT, you can use the 4 for some prompts, and then it goes down to the 3.5, but you also need to pay a bit. But they are the best one, like the O1 from them is the best one. Llama is the one that you can install and use like the best version for free, but it's a little bit worse compared to O1, and I think maybe even compared to Claude. I do not know, maybe I'm wrong about this, so you can tell me on the comments if I'm wrong about it. So right now we got DeepSeek, that is open source, was cheaper than all of them, and like for developers, DeepSeek is really good. I will talk about my experience for the SaaS that I'm building. The OpenAI like API that developers use to consume the data from the AI is really expensive. And for example, for me that I'm a solopreneur, let's say, that is building a startup from zero and having almost nothing of money, it is an investment that I would be able to do. And in Brazil, like, we are 6 times cheaper than US dollars. So using the API from ChatGPT was 6 times more expensive to me, let's say. So yeah, it was really expensive for me. And the DeepSeek version is literally 30 times cheaper. For a million of tokens, you will pay like some cents. For the R1 version, I think it's $2, but whatever. It's much cheaper than the ChatGPT version that I would pay like if it's $60. The comparison is crazy. So for developers, they are probably going to switch those stopping to use the OpenAI API and start to use the DeepSeek API. Bro, OpenAI API is a really hard like sentence to say. At least for me, the English isn't my native language, so, but whatever. So as I said before, the reason why the NVIDIA stocks crashed is basically about this, like, the reason is because DeepSeek aren't using their GPUs, and all the hype behind NVIDIA right now is because we will need a ton of processing, a ton of GPUs to have the AIs, and AIs the hype. And because of that, NVIDIA was having this crazy value. And now with DeepSeek, they were using Almanack, we could see that actually we do not need that much of processing power. So there's no reason for us to invest that much into NVIDIA. If you guys want, I can make other video having a more detailed breakdown around how DeepSeek like is working and how it was built. It will be really complex even for me to explain it. I would need it to read a lot their documentations, but I could try to explain it for you guys. So if you guys want it, I could try to make this video. Just tell me on the comments that I will make the effort to make it. So basically that's it for this video. I already said a lot. So please subscribe on this channel, hit the like button, and comment something down below. It will help me a lot. My main goal with this channel is trying to impact people's life, because that's my goal in life. So basically that's it, and I hope to see you on my next video. See ya.